Super late start on the water. Honeoye Lake, second time being here. Just had a little bit of time this morning, so I figured I'd go out for a while. It's only 40 minutes from my house. Heavy grass lake. See how I do. Last time I was here, I couldn't even fish under the docks because the water was so high. A lot of docks on this lake though, so some high hopes with that. Ooh, little fish came up, following it in. Looked like a sunfish or something, but probably what I've been seeing, busting slightly on the surface. Yeah, I'm out of here. Gave her a go. This algae is ridiculous. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, you can. Looks like someone spilled paint everywhere. Looks like it's still a little deep here from all the rain we've been getting. This dock is still pretty much underwater. Shallow though, it's only like 3 feet deep. I don't know if, water temp's 77. It's hard to say where they'll be sitting. It's not a very deep lake anyway, so they might just be picking cover over comfort. Because it's not like there's a whole bunch of deep water for them to run and hide to.
At the monument site, as well as a full-time home he and Dodie shared in Tucson. He split his time in weeks-long increments between Tucson and staying in the cabin. Investigators and Dodie determined that the only pictures missing from either of those locations were...
My first one here. Is pike or pickerel? I honestly don't know.
Hi. I have a quick question.
What's up?
The other day you bought pancakes, right?
I bought what?
Pancakes, right?
Yeah, there's probably only a couple left, if there's any left.
I don't know where they are. I was wondering if they found where they are.
I only bought one pack, so I went, you guys freaking chowed them, so.
Okay.
There was a few left, but. I'm not after you, duck. Yeah, I do. Not a big one, but gotta be a largemouth. Thank you, buddy. Nice and soft hit, just like they were last time. They just barely hit it and start swimming with it. Looks like they're hitting a jig. It's kind of deep right here. Doesn't seem like it, but it is. That didn't even touch bottom. I do. Not a monster. The biggest one of the day so far, plus a couple pounds of grass. Come on, dude. There we go. Punching fish in New York, not bad. Thanks, bud. Oh no, get off. Oh, I didn't get a great hook set on it. That sucks. Felt like a decent one too, honestly. All freaking day long at this place. And the algae makes so you can't even avoid the big clumps because you can't see them until you're pedaling right into them. Doing the thing I told myself I wouldn't, is cross the lake. A little steeper drop off on this side of the lake. Hoping for less weeds, but this algae is still everywhere. Can't escape it. Haven't found a clear spot today. Hopefully this side produces. I'm not wasting time. A little deeper and a little cleaner over here, but seeing less movement. So far crossing the lake has been miserable. Snot grass everywhere. I didn't look at enough of the map. I thought it was deeper over here all the way through. It was just this little section that is. So, ooh. Just found this little grass patch though. I figured I'd flip it. Punch it, whatever. See if something comes out of it.
I won one of those random prizes. There was 2 things left, that and a regular jig. I grabbed that.
Oh, I got one.
Hey!
Believe it or not, it's not a huge one, but
Alright.
might be the biggest of the
Another
day.
one for the tally.
Oh, there you go.
Another one for the tally. Nice.
Not a bad one. He was just sitting out in the open. Not near anything.
No weeds or anything?
Just a little bit of sparse grass. But the water temp is 81.5 right here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you got another one.
Another one?
Yep.
Good.
Not huge, but oh,
Another Honeoye.
like 12 incher maybe. We made it in the video twice now, Paul.
Better edit me out if you want to get good viewers.
What's funny is that Port Bay one. Thanks, buddy.
Turn the sound down.